Bloody hell, Monday morning. And this is going to be dangerous. Look at it. Mel controlling this. Don't write me car off. Jesus! Get me home. Demolition done. Sweet Jesus. Right, we're back. Back home from graft. It's getting the pooches ready. Taking them for a walk, aren't we? First walk of the street. First walk of the strip. Not like Leeds this, Sam. Not like Leeds, mate. But yeah, we're off. We're off skis. Then we're going to do some serious graft. Oosh. Pooches. We're going, aren't we? We're doing it. Fat knacker trailing behind as usual. Come on. You stop eating them treats, you. Who is it? Shout them. Go on then. Go on then. Go on. Yeah. Good girls. That's it. Quit Barry White before I get cracking. And I said it yesterday. But we're doing this room. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna smash it off. Come on.
Yeah, I got Mum. What are you doing? What are you doing? Glossing. She's glossing. She's glossing.
Uzi! Ready. Got Kirby's roller that he quite kindly lent me. Look at it. It's a right pick. Look at it. I feel like I've got a machine gun in my hand. I'll have to go blast these walls off now in this bedroom. We're finally doing it. I've been talking the talk, but I haven't been walking the walk. But we're going to do it now with this roller. I mean, nice little Hamilton. Look, feel that bad boy. Feels mint. Woo! Watch this. Gonna blast it tonight. Look at that. Boom. Oh, I just love my Hamilton brush. Look at it. It's the perfect cutting in brush. Look. Look at them strokes. They are fantastic. Yes.
Look at this, look. Curry. Little break. Break on the pit stop. Curry.
Look at me, I'm covered. We're grafting. Another tin in hand, ready for it. Look at it. Look at it. We're nearly there. We're nearly there with first coat. Finish off this wall, finish off that, then we're fucking done. Come on, son. Job done. It's time to wash the Hamilton and wash this roller. Ready for tomorrow, second coat. Wet as an otter's pocket. Seen some action as this bad boy. Today, full room. I need to clean Lewis Hamilton as well. Done quite well, to be fair. You know, done well. Here we are, look. Old yin and yang. Old yin and yang knackered from out graft. Quick run through what we've done today then. Mama came round, did all his skirting. All skirting everywhere in this living room. So that's a decent job done. We get up to the stairs. Show you my handiwork with the old Lewis Hamilton and Curb Dog's roller, which was fantastic. Boom. Right, here we are, look. All done. All done. First coat prepped. Ready for second tomorrow. So that's it. No time to chill out. It's 9:30. Boom. That's it. Dangoff is done for the day. It's going to be over and out. I'm going to smash it tomorrow. Boom!